When it comes to making salmon on the boat, my goal is always to pack maximum protein and veggies into one single dish. Space is limited in a galley or your kitchen, so getting all your daily nutrients in one go is the ultimate life hack. First up, prep your veggies ahead of time to make rolling a breeze. The key to the entire recipe starts with laying your selection of bacon strips down first on the cutting board. Next, I place a sheet of nori right in the center. Nori is great for keeping everything held together. Plus, it delivers essential iodine to pair with our salmon. Inside, we're layering kale and olive oil and make it easy to digest, giving us a massive hit of vitamin A. Garlic and butter for rich flavor, healthy fats, vitamins A and D, and essential sulfur. Mushrooms added for their incredible anti-cancer properties. On the side, we are adding asparagus. As a cruciferous vegetable, asparagus is fantastic for regulating hormones, supporting gut health, and providing clean fiber. Jalapeños for a kick of vitamin C and powerful antioxidants. Rosemary and thyme for a boost of flavor. Tahini, an absolute staple on the boat. Once the salmon and veggies are nestled in, roll it up tight. Secure the ends with toothpicks directly through the bacon so nothing falls apart in the air fryer. Pop them in the air fryer. This meal is loaded with omega-3s from the salmon, vitamins A, D, and K. We're topping it off with cheese to get a crucial vitamin K2. It's a perfect flavorful meal for two, or easily scaled up to 4. If you want more easy, healthy galley recipes, I have a complete ebook available on my Patreon at patreon.com/Sailing into Nirvana. The first 30 pages are packed with my personal background, nutritional guides, and my go-to boat grocery list. I add brand new recipes to the book every single week. Head over, become a member, and let's start cooking.